You're about to witness the stupidest thing that we've ever done. I'm here with Outwits with Chris and our boy Bet. We haven't fished with Bet in a long time. Bet, what are you in?
Wilderness.
No, you're in a native.
Yeah,
Know your gear, people. What are you in?
Slayer 13.
Slayer 13.
Hobie, 2019 Hobie Outback.
And you'll notice Chris is wearing khakis. And I'm in my boat. So we're going to race.
Marks, get sets, go. Not bumper cars, right?
Oh, snap! Please! No, no, no! Barely. 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 Hey, what's going on? Obviously we just did the boat race and Chris won. Not surprised. Anyway, got my sonar. Downscan's not working right now for some reason. I think I caught it in the middle of an update. I was trying to update it last night. I didn't have a big enough memory card. But anyway, water is 52 degrees. I'm in 10 feet of it. And I'm going to start throwing a crankbait against this wall right here. Yeehaw! Let's see if I can get on some. Okay, I got the Mike McClellan rock crawler in a craw pattern. And this is the one that dives to 14 feet. Down scan's working. No thanks to you. I don't know if you can see that, but that pretty much looks like skeletal remains of an animal. It's definitely an animal. Looks like a pretty decent one too. Let's take a look. Oh, that's definitely a skeleton. A deer? What do you think that is? I don't know, the heck, it looks like a baby deer. It's a good fish, I think, too. Stay down. Oh, fight me, baby. Fight me. Fight me. Oh, it's a good fish. Finally. Get in the boat. Yeah! Yeah! Finally! That's a decent fish finally from this lake. Nothing in his throat. Got red lipstick on though for me. Thanks for not skunking me. I like this lake a lot, man. This is a great lake. I think I really want to fish here like all the time. Yeah, if you want to catch a monster like I just caught, you got to go a little shallow. Let me have my moment, damn it. Let me have my moment. I know, but still. Chris is like my kryptonite.
What
We're here, Bet and I are here watching the master, Chris Sartain, study the beast he's about to catch. What are you catching him on? What are you catching him on? So
They're narrating.
I'm doing a golf commentary on your fishing. Chris has his line in the water.
What do you think the power on the rod is?
His?
No, I'm going on with
I know. I'm literally like, I don't fucking know. Still on. Little guy. Came off. I think I might need to change out. I don't even remember the last time I changed out my drop shot hook. Missed it. There you go. So Chris and I just got off the water. He's got his kayak, I've got mine. Mine obviously is the superior kayak. I mean, nobody really gets Hobies anymore. Anyway, we had a good day on the water. It was a grind. Chris caught a bunch of fish. I caught one. Bet split because he wasn't catching any. Sorry, buddy, I had to say that. But I had a great time with these guys, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.